Amidst the tranquility of nature and wisdom of tradition, a new kind of leadership was born. From June 9th to 13th, principals, senior faculties, scholars, and changemakers gathered at Govardhan Eco Village to rediscover leadership rooted in mindfulness, sustainability, and India's timeless knowledge systems. Day 1 set the tone. From understanding Ayurvedic lifestyles to sustainable entrepreneurship through cow-based economy, participants were guided to lead with purpose and live in harmony with nature. The day began with Mr. Rahul Joshi's energizing session, Get Set Go with Mindful Leadership, setting the tone for reflective, purpose-driven leadership. Dr. Sudheesh Krishnan spoke on healthy living through Ayurveda. Dr. Rajashri Deshmukh then led a focused session on Prakruti analysis and customized diet plans. Post-lunch, Dr. Penin connected Indian knowledge with sustainable development. Later, Dr. Navaljeet Kapoor led a hands-on Goshala visit and product demo showcasing cow-based eco-solutions. Participants ended the day with the serene Yamuna Aarti, their hearts immersed in the spiritual vibrations of evening Kirtan along the Yamuna shore. The journey inward continued with yoga, pranayama, and introspection on consciousness. Ancient Jyotish and astronomy merged with hands-on sustainability practices. The day began with a rejuvenating yoga session led by Madhav Gopal Das, anchoring breath and body in balance. After a nourishing breakfast, Rasik Raman Das guided participants through the mysteries of consciousness and the Vedic purpose of life. Dr. Venkateswara Pai revealed how Panchang and Jyotish align personal action with cosmic order. After lunch, Mohan Vilas Das and Ganga Narayan Das showcased GEV's integrated waste and voice systems. The day closed with a biodiversity session by Madhav Gaur Das and guided meditation. From dharma to karma, leadership was explored through values and responsibility. Wisdom flowed through sessions on ethics, decision-making, and the science of eating. The day began with Abhimanyu Pran Das exploring dharma in leadership, grounding ethical clarity as the root of responsible action. Nitai Chaitanya Das addressed karma and free will. Hemarupa Das discussed emotional intelligence through the good dog, bad dog concept. Post-lunch, his session on decision-making offered practical insights on clarity and responsibility. Professor Atul Gokhale concluded with food wisdom from Indian dietetics and Annamaya Kosha. With lessons from epics and Indian sports, participants unlocked the art of communication, relationship management, and team synergy. The day began with Mr. Manish Vanwari sharing Indian insights on building meaningful relationships and nurturing cohesive teams. Nimai Leela Das conducted sessions on Vak Yoga and Sutras for holistic growth. Mr. Nilesh Kulkarni, former Indian cricketer, facilitated traditional games like Gilli Danda, Seven Stones, Spinning Tops, Kancha, Marbles, and Catapults, sparking joy and teamwork. The grand finale resonated with ancient leadership sutras, ageless wisdom made relevant for modern times. The final day began as Haladhar Nitai Das shared insights on bliss through Natya Shastra and the Rasas, along with a practical demonstration on transcendental music and dance. Mr. Sanjay Bhosle then delivered a session on timeless Indian leadership sutras for modern times, blending scriptural wisdom with contemporary relevance. Closing moments featured reflections and certificates presented by Dr. Navaljeet Kapoor and Mr. Sanjay Bhosle. 5 days, dozens of sessions, a lifetime of transformation, where leadership is not just a skill but a way of life, where knowledge meets experience and tradition guides innovation.
The sessions that were conducted here imparted the understanding about leadership, not just from the point of view of modern aspects, but also touched upon the spiritual and traditional Indian approaches.
सर्व अविस्मरण झालेल्या ज्ञान प्रणालींचं, ज्ञान साधनांचं, संसाधनांचं पुन्हा एकदा स्मरण करण्याची आज इथे या ठिकाणी संधी मिळाली. सुसंवादपणे किंवा एक्सपर्ट माणसांच्याकडनं या IPL नव्हतं ते या ठिकाणी आम्हाला ऐकायला मिळालं.
This program is well designed and catering the various facets of the Indian knowledge system and its linkages to the leadership development, right from the historical approach to the modern technique.
आम्हाला असं वाटलं एखाद्या गावामध्ये जाऊन कुठेतरी एखादा प्रोग्राम असेल, पण जेव्हा इथं आलो आणि आम्ही कधी हे भव्य दिव्य असं पाहिली तेव्हा आम्हाला कळालं की आपल्या महाराष्ट्रामध्ये सुद्धा अशी एक जागा आहे, क्षेत्र आहे जे गेल्या 10-20 वर्षापासून लोकं काम करत आहे आणि इथं यांनी केलेलं सगळं काम जे आहे हे पाहून सगळं थक्क झालो.
Right from the day one, it is overall development, not only leadership sessions. It's quite enriching experience, lot of enlightenment and emotional intelligence, self-awareness is the most important aspect what we have discussed here.
The IKS Mindful Leadership Program at Govardhan Eco Village was not a retreat, it was a rebirth, a journey from the mind to the heart, from self to service. Let us walk forward, leading with purpose, living with wisdom.